Hi, Paula. My name's Corey. Honesty told me to send the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to share three quick tips on how to get more traffic, quality traffic to your website, and really outrank your competition online. I got your website pulled up here. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Looking at your website, Google loves words and really bringing your website and all your pages really to an authoric state. Bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, adding in those keywords inside there is just going to help you get to that first page and being a lot easier for people to find your website. Even these images right here, this is all content. Google sees it all. You got guarantees and promises. You could switch that out, put some keywords back there. That's just going to make your website rank even more. Now, if I go inside of Google here and type in heating repair Green Bay WI, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top. These are actually they came up with these last year. They came up to replace these old school ads. These old school ads have been really spammy, so a lot of people have been going away with them. So what Google did was come up with these Google guarantees to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. They do get pretty pricey at the end of the day. A lot of people came up with ad blockers as well, so a lot of ads aren't even getting through. I don't know if you're running ads, but I'll see in here in just a minute. But underneath those ads, we have this little map section. Now, really, to get the rankings here, really deals with a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with, what you got to do is put your name, business name, address, phone number, things like that listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, maybe 50 or even 100 times them. So when Google comes by and does their algorithms, they have no reason but to put you on that first day in the top rankings right here. Underneath this little map pack is going to be dealing with all that organic traffic. This is the first page of Google. And really for your pages to be found here, it really comes down to, having that authoric content on your pages, being found for those keywords, but also comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it, really. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So it looks like you got this thing started back in 2013 or so. This is the last 3 months of your site. You got 33 referring domains, which is pushing back 322 backlinks. Historically, you've had over 1,000 backlinks. This PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads in here. I don't know if you're doing any TV, radio, commercials, things like that. I know those get pretty pricey as well. But anyway, coming in, you got 8 clicks to your website, and coming in and seeing where these clicks are actually coming from, you got 96 keywords, and this is where we find those clicks. So this is all the keywords on how your website's actually being found. This is the amount of clicks or the amount of volume for each keyword, and also it tells you how much traffic that you're getting and also your position that you're getting as well, that you're in. So you got your name here at the top. You got Luxembourg WI. Need a more. Okay, here's a buyer's intent keyword here. Air conditioning repair Green Bay WI, another 40 clicks. There's your 28th position, so you're missing all the traffic. Nobody really shops on the second page there. Coming in, heating and cooling Green Bay, Wisconsin, another 30 clicks. Your 43rd position, so you're missing all the traffic. Heating, cooling, Appleton WI, another 70 clicks a month. 63rd position, once again missing all the traffic. We can go to the second page. So really finding all these keywords and making sure that you're actually getting on a good ranking or a good position will help you bring in that quality traffic and help your phone start ranking as well. This is Apex Heating. I'm going to stick them inside of Ahrefs real quick. Do a quick overview. So they got 47 referring domains, which is pushing back 157 backlinks. Like I said, not all backlinks are actually created equal, but they do have 244 keywords they're being found for, and on average, they're getting about 289 clicks to their website. Coming in and seeing where those clicks are actually coming from. They got here's their position, the amount of traffic for each keyword, and the amount of traffic for each keyword coming in for each keyword as well, if that made sense. Anyway, give you an example. Heating and cooling Green Bay, 200 clicks a month. First position they got 32 clicks out of the 200. Not a bad ROI. They got a what is that roughly? I don't know the percentage. Anyway, heating and cooling Green Bay WI, I think it could be a little bit better, to be honest with you. I think that's roughly about 10%, 15% maybe. But heating and cooling Green Bay WI, 70 clicks a month. They got 24 clicks out of that one. That's a really good ROI for only having 70 clicks total for that one keyword. HVAC Green Bay, another 60 clicks. They're getting 21 clicks out of there. So really coming in and finding all these keywords that's just going to help you draw in that quality traffic. So that way your phone actually gets ringing with those quality calls versus all that spam calls. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and feel that I might have a few tricks on my sleeve, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd love to put a custom game plan together for you, or at least play these 3 free tips for yourself. If you want to give me a review on how I did in this video, that'd be cool too. Thanks, Paula.